Madam Toastmaster, fellow Toastmasters, and guests wherever you are. Fred, if you're a seasoned speaker, then I must be well done or something. The challenge of a speech like this is to make it interesting for the audience. These Better Club series speeches, such as the evaluation one, are a series of canned modules where they actually write out a script for you. And the challenge is to make that seem like it's not scripted at all. The best technique for that is to put it in your own words, and you did that very effectively. I like the way you started with high energy and referred to the previous speech about it being a tough act to follow, which is kind of an aphorism. I love evaluations because I think that's one of the most important parts of what the Toastmasters program is. In fact, I might even say that evaluations are like an aphrodisiac. All right. I like the way that you used some techniques to connect with the audience, such as putting yourself in the speaker's head. You know, was I okay? What could I have done better? That series was very effective in connecting with each one of us because that's what we all think, and it draws the audience in. Things like, how do we do this? Posing rhetorical devices. And particularly illustrating how to evaluate by demonstrating. If you want them to make it bigger to show them. I particularly like your Bobby Knight and Snow White comparison and how you illustrated the too naughty and too nice aspects of that. A few suggestions. After your high energy, the energy kind of dropped off a cliff a little bit. So I would encourage you to keep the energy maybe not as high as at first, but keep the energy up there because there was a noticeable drop when you started. The second, you referred to CC and CL, and those of us who are seasoned know what that is, but some of the newer members might not understand what that is. So speak it out, competent communicator, or CL, or CC, competent leader, CL. When you had a rhetorical question, such as how do we do this, I thought that you could have given a little more of a pause, because when you ask a rhetorical question, you want to let the audience absorb it and think about it, don't you?
Good.
Yeah.
Exactly. And the one other thing I would have liked to have seen is talk about some of the other forms of evaluation. The sandwich method is the primary one we use, but there are other ones, such as the what did I see, what did I hear, and what did I feel one, which is the other primary one that I've seen. But overall, you did an excellent job of turning what's basically dry material into something which is very interesting. And I was engaged throughout, and I think the rest of the audience was. So thank you for that.